Check out our newest feature release. We now have transactions, invoices, and subscriptions inside the CRM within every contact. Our CRM now allows you to seamlessly view and manage transactions, subscriptions, and invoices directly within a contact's record. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. With this update, you're going to now be able to instantly view a contact's transactions, subscriptions, and invoices without navigating to different tabs. You're going to be able to quickly gain a holistic view of contact's financial history and interactions in one easy-to-access location. You're also going to be able to run charges for customers directly within their contact record. I absolutely love this new update. This really puts everything at our fingertips. This is something that I'm personally excited about because it is so much easier to just look in one place for everything, to see all of those transactions, all of those subscriptions and invoices right there within the contact area. I think you're going to love this new feature update. So let's go ahead and get into our invoices. First, we're going to go into payments, and then in the upper navigation, we're going to click on invoices. And let's go ahead and just view transactions. This is how we've always done this in the past. And the same way, we would then click on subscriptions and we would see all of our subscriptions. Now, all of this information is right inside of each and every individual contacts. So let's go to contacts, and once you're in contacts, go up to smart lists and go ahead and select the contact that you have some history in. Now, when you're in that contact, you're going to be able to see all of these additional details. As you can see in my screenshot, I have both transactions, subscriptions, and invoices available to view by just simply clicking that little $ in this circle that is over to the right side. No need to look in all different places. No need to track them down. It is just there. We hope you enjoy this new feature. If you need any help at all, just let us know.